Hello, this is HardReset.Info speaking for you, and in this video I'll show you how to connect your Xbox Series S to Wi-Fi. So, in the beginning, from the home screen of Xbox, select Settings. Now, go to General and Network Settings. Now set up wireless network. Select your network. Confirm. And it's set. Now we can test our network connection. Or disconnect. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.